TechnoIllustrator. Adding effects. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click on File, Include Folder, and the folder you want it to open. Select the photo you want to apply effects with. Click on the Edit tab and choose the effect you want to use. Do the same process on all your photos. Be sure to be creative and use other effects. Show your work to your best friend and say sorry for picking a fight with her.